the official, I'm going to say, who up on the line? She said she don't know which one of them. Remember, she called and she must know her auntie number. But anyways, she called back the number. See the video there when I post. See the video there when I post. That girl said she's sorry she didn't chop off when I'm on. But before she said that, if you listen keenly when me there get loud, she said something like, she's sorry she didn't. Me no want to tell her life on her. So me uno have mouth for talk now. Uno listen to the video keenly. You hear? That is before she reached a point where she said she's sorry she never chop off my hand. When I'm on, I left me with a one hand. Note people, you talk about a 10, 11, 12, 13-year-old child. Because my father take me back when me at 13. She have it to say my father molested me. People who not idiot, who not have sense. If a child in a home being molested, community people are going to know. And don't them ever call police or whoever to come take with the child. So the child can come and testify against her abusers. Right? Remember, I was with my father for the week because I grew up in Kingston. Everybody know me in my community. I don't grow with my dad. My mother died when I was 1 year old. My auntie took me in when I was 3 to 4 years old. That's where I grew up. My father, when you hear me talk on the live, say, I run when I run with you. My auntie that got beat me through my spit. Power and lay the face when she tell me not to cuss bad word. And my auntie, the woman called me up at the school. And the principal called me auntie. And my auntie said, time will come, if I come straight to our workplace, because she will beat me. So I decide to me not take no lick. And me run away. And a few days after that, I see my father come for me. So I don't know what kind of arrangement was made. But me know my auntie never want to let me go. So it's during that time. During that time, there was she text me for. Anyways, during that time, our grandfather come and say, I have a little girl, me and her about the same age, and we get along whatever. So them try to use it, say my father, come on, my father hurt me, and me not hate my father. My father abused me sexually, and me not hate my father. So them a try to say me confused. The sexual molestation happened, but who me think it happened with another them. That's the reverse psychology them a try to use. Pam like say me an idiot. You understand me? But yes, still she admit that I was being abused. Because if she was such a sorry, she didn't chop off my hand. What I tell you? What I tell you? You understand me? For years, 30 years now, me have to psychiatrist have found me go live and me have to come back home. Me have to come back home, me have to spend up much money on